A child was riding her bike in the middle of the afternoon. Within seconds, she was gone. On January 13, 1996, 9-year-old Amber Hagerman was playing near her home in Arlington, Texas. A witness saw a truck pull up. A man got out and grabbed her, then drove away. Just like that, she disappeared. Police launched a massive search, but there were no clear leads, no suspect, and very little evidence. Days later, her body was found in a nearby area. The case shocked the nation and left investigators searching for answers. But something important came from it. A new system was created, one designed to alert the public immediately when a child goes missing. Today, it's known as the Amber Alert, named after Amber Hagerman, a tragedy that changed how the country responds to emergencies, and a case that still remains unsolved.